In the first episode, I was plastering the 3 other walls of the last floor. I was also explaining our goal for this renovation process, so if you missed that, you can watch it after this video. For this one, I will tell you where we are and why we choose to come here. I used to grow up in Lebanon in the Middle East. This country is directly on the Mediterranean coast and you have the mountain really close to the sea. Because I love this setup, I was searching a place like that in my country. And we found that in a place called Pio, which stands for Pyrénées Oriental. Basically, around our village, we have at the west the Mediterranean Sea. Wonderfully, there is 2 types of beaches, a huge part made of sand and another part made of rocks where the mountain of the Pyrenees meet the sea. In this area, we have the beautiful village of Collioure that we're gonna show you for sure in the following episodes. At the south, we have Spain, which is really nice to go for a day to hang out. We can hear and practice another language, go there to have cheap cigarettes, alcohol and gas, eat delicious paella, and go in Barcelona, the capital city of Catalonia, for a walk. At the west, we have the mountains. The most famous one is called Canigou. It's basically our Fuji mountain. It's really beautiful when there is snow on top, and we can see it almost anywhere on the area. Also, mountains mean skiing during winter, which is great. Mountain also means nature, hiking, hot springs and so on. And finally at the north, we have the Qatar country and the Bugarach Pike. Simply, this place was part where people had some special way to practice Christianism. There is a lot of special castle and citadel like Carcassonne for example. Also, there is a lot of crazy stories there, like the village of Rennes Castle, where a mysterious priest became billionaires after he found a huge treasure. The same treasure that Louis XIV used to construct the famous castle of Versailles. This treasure was also searched by the Nazis during the Second World War, and this is not all about this place. So if you are interested about those stories, let me know in the comments. It can be really interesting to talk about it. Anyway, to sum up, our country is well known for agriculture, mainly wine, olives, peach and apricot, and tourism, mainly on the coast during summer, but also in the mountains during winter for skiing. About the house now, I have a question for you guys, the old chimney. Should we remove it? Can you put in the comment what you think, please? Next time we're gonna start the floor of the attic, and I hope we can finish the place so we can settle down. If you want to support us, you can subscribe to be sure that you can follow the renovation process. Now, let's finish with the stairs.
Qu'est-ce qu'on va dire, c'est